All right, so if you've clicked on this video, it's because you want to learn more about what's called formal administration or administration in general. Formal administration is just the administration of somebody's estate when it is not a summary proceeding. So if somebody's recently passed away and you want to be able to open up a probate case before 2 years have passed, or they have assets that are in excess of $75,000, including residence, vehicles, home furnishings, their retirement accounts, bank accounts, etc., then formal administration is the correct process to use. In formal administration, a petition is filed letting the court know that formal administration is needed because somebody passed away with assets. There needs to be a personal representative appointed to be able to act on behalf of the estate. There needs to be notice to the creditors of the person who passed away with publication in a newspaper, as well as actual notices sent out to the known creditors. There has to be an inventory of the assets that the person who passed away left behind, which if the person who passed away wasn't organized and have everything in one place, can take months for family members to locate those assets. So this inventory has to be provided to the court. There also needs to be an accounting because the reality is that some people's assets will also produce income at the time. So, maybe the person owned a rental property or they had some investments that are producing income. They own some stocks that are producing dividends. And so there needs to be an accounting also provided to the court in formal administration proceedings. Formal administration is something that gets done whether you have a will or not, if you owned assets in your name at the moment that you passed away. The personal representative has to await court orders in order to take any action with the assets of the estate, either to pay claims, to make final distributions to beneficiaries, and even to make disbursements in order to pay estate taxes or estate income taxes. So it is a very long process. It is a very arduous process, and it is a very expensive process. Usually formal administration proceedings cost about 6% of the value of the assets. Additionally, if you need formal administration, you as a personal representative might be required to post a bond to protect the assets of the estate. This bond amount, it can be and is usually about 1% of the value of the assets of the estate. So let's say you've got $1 million worth of assets. That bond's a $10,000 bond. So people that want to be personal representatives might be priced out of doing it if they can't afford to post a bond. So it's essential that you plan these things in advance to realize what proceedings are like in formal administration.